Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my delicious salmon salad, okay? It's going to be so fast, okay? And here, let me show you guys what I have for you on the menu. Okay, as you can see here, I have my salmons already cleaned up and well marinated. And I have here my vegetable, red cherry, tomatoes, and my jalapenos and some radish, okay. And here I have onions and green peppers and red peppers and everything else for my salads, okay. And I have my pineapples, okay. And also I have my organic ultimate salads, okay. I got that from Costco, guys. It's very good. And here I have my dressing. I think I showed you guys from my previous video. Okay, it's very good when you make whatever you're making, you can use that. Okay, so let's start cooking, guys. Okay, now I'm going to add some butter in my pot. Okay. Okay. Alright, guys. Today's Thursday, guys, and tomorrow's Good Friday, so you know you gotta make it like easy. No red meat today, so I'm eating fish. Okay, my butter is cooking. Okay, and here what I'm going to do next, guys, I'm letting the butter melting down. Okay, all right, I think it's good enough. So how's your day going, guys, so far? Yeah, today's Thursday. It's almost weekend, so I'm happy. I hope everything is going well for you guys. Okay, okay, that's good enough. And now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start adding my fish. Okay. Those nice salmon, guys, they are, I got them from Costco. Okay, nice size. See, they're so looking so good and big pieces. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, now I'm going to just let that cook, and then when we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to use some rosemary flakes, since I don't have the leaves. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, when we come back, we'll flip them over. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, I think they're ready now. Let me see. It smells so good, guys. Let me see what I can do. If I need to flip them. I need to be careful, guys, because I don't want my salmon to. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Beautiful. See that, guys? Okay, I'm going to let them cook. Okay, and then when we come back, we'll finish up everything else. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to check on our salmons. Okay. Let me show you guys what's going on. Okay, now I'm going to use this bowl, guys. Look at that, it smells so good, guys. Look, it smells so delicious, especially when I put the rosemary. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let that cook, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now my fishes are done, and let me show you guys how everything looks. Okay, see that? Okay, everything is cooked. So now what I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to start with my salad. Okay, adding my vegetables. Okay, okay, my pineapples. Okay, now I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay, and my dressing. Okay, now let me mix it up. Take a little more black pepper, a little bit more. Okay, guys, and I'm going to finish that up. Adding a little bit more dressing, and when we come back, guys, I'll show you how everything looks. Okay? Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you what I have for you. Okay, as you can see, guys, my plate's already prepared. Okay, you see that? And all what I have to do next, just add that little piece of thyme. Okay, that's it. You see that, guys? Okay, that's it for me, guys. If you guys like this recipe, okay, and remember, guys, when you're doing your salad, if you don't want to go through the whole process, you can just go ahead and then get your pre-cut vegetables, and then you just take it from there. Okay, okay, remember, give it a try. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.